Hello everyone, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry. As we discussed last class, important point about a photoelectric effect. The next one is what the Planck quantum theory. You know very well about that the light is having a dual property. One is what wave nature, another one is what particle nature. Okay, this is most important point. Initially, in interference, diffraction, polarization, the light is behaves as like a wave. But after that, in photoelectric effect is there, one more is there, black body radiation is there, one more is there, line spectrum. In these cases, the light is behaves as like a particle. After that, the most important theory, what is that? Quantum theory is there. No, Max Planck, who discovered the quantum theory, Max Planck. Okay, in that we are going to discuss the light is having a what de Broglie property. It behaves as like a wave as well as a particle. This is the most important discovery by what Max Planck. Okay, that is why the most important point is in this case when the light is act as a wave and when in the case of light is act as a particle, that is most important point. Okay. That is why in photoelectric effect you know very well about that, usually they are going to use a cesium metal. The next question they are going to ask you, why they are going to use a cesium metal. This question asked in a JEE mains one time. In this case important point is what the ionization enthalpy. Next question, what is ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, all those things we will discuss in what the next topic, that is their periodic table. That is the most important topic. That topic very basic topic, it helps to what clear the what NEET and JEE exam. Okay, that topic is very helpful for what PVC second year also. We will discuss later, but in this case the important cesium word is there, and that is why I am discussing here. In this case what happen, down the group automatically what happen, the ionization enthalpy is going to decreases. Along the period is there, in that case the ionization enthalpy is going to increases. Okay. Next question, what is ionization enthalpy? Very simple definition, the amount of energy required to remove an outermost electron, that is called what? Ionization enthalpy. I think this definition you have not understand. Okay, we will discuss later, do not worry about that, just you have to remember cesium metal is having a low ionization enthalpy, that is enough. Okay, that is why in majority in solar system they are going to use what? Cesium metal. Again question, why they are going to use a cesium metal means that is having a what? Low ionization enthalpy, that is your answer. Okay, otherwise you have to use rubidium, cesium, all those things, but iron in solar plate they are not going to use iron, chromium, such kind of metal, because such kind of metal need more amount of energy to remove an electron. That is why they are not going to use. One more important point, those metal having a what? Very high ionization enthalpy. Okay, that is important. In the you know very well about that, in photoelectric effect the light is act as a what? Particle nature. In that is most important point is what? Discontinuously. Discontinuously means light is act as a particle means in this case what? Automatically what? That is act as a bullet. The bullet move always in a what? Discontinuously, not a continuous. That is important point. Okay, bear in mind. In that that photoelectric effect, all the important points make it perfect. Next, after that what I discussed means Planck quantum theory. The Planck quantum theory is also most important. Electromagnetic radiations. Electromagnetic radiation means what? All the radiations including visible light is there, ultraviolet light is there, IR is there, gamma rays, X-rays, everything, that is indicate what? Electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation is also having a dual property, that is what? Basic funda. Okay, that is why bear in mind, better you have to refer NCERT textbook, are most important for clear the NEET exam. Okay, each and every line you have to read NCERT, particularly for chemistry. Okay, next after that biology, I do not know about exact physics. Physics some of the people are referring what? Verma books. Okay, that is important. Okay, that is why compulsory how to refer NCERT books each and every line. Is there any problem? Comment on the comment section. Okay friends, today we are going to discuss the important part, that is called what? Black body radiation. Here is notes is there, black body radiations. I will explain black body radiations, very simple. First I will clear black body radiation means don't think that every body is a black, not like that. Usually in general they are going to use a carbon black body. Okay, that is why they name kept what? Black body radiation. Don't think like that, don't think like that what every body is having a black. Okay, just here everything notes is there, very short notes about a black body radiations. Okay, don't worry about the notes, I will explain here things important point. Means in this case, first I am going to consider one body here is there, it is look like okay, this is what one body, okay, that is generally we call what the ideal body. The next question, what is the ideal body definition is there, first I will read out the definition, after that I will explain. Just see here is their point, important point means what, that is the ideal body is there. No, ideal body which emits, which what emits and absorbs all frequencies is called a black body, and the radiation emitted by such a body is called black body radiation. Very simple definition is it. Just here try to understand the concept, understanding concept is the most important. Just I am going to consider this is one body, okay. Okay, it is a considered black body. Usually means which body, carbon black body they are going to use, okay. Just here in this case a light is there, the light is fall on this body, okay, no problem, light is fall on what, this body, okay. This is what first means electromagnetic radiation, this is what second, next one is what third, such kind of lights means you have to consider light is fall on this body, this is what this body can absorb, after that what start emission, means in this case what happen, when absorb, after that what start emission, okay, emitting the light, okay, start what emitting the light, okay. Such kind of body are called ideal body or black body, okay. When it start what is that, it start emitted radiation, that is indicate what, black body radiation. A body absorb the radiations and emit the radiations are called what, black body radiation. That is most important point. Means in this case what, these lights are there, means you have to understand the electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation means what, it include what, IR, visible, next one is what, gamma ray, X-ray. Just you have to consider four fingers, okay. In this case what happened, these four fingers are having a what, different color, different electromagnetic radiation means different colors, different color light fall on this body absorb all the colors, body absorb all the colors in all frequencies, all the color in what, all frequency absorb, after that it start emission, after that what, it start emission. Such kind of body are called black body radiation. Means in this case what, every light, every frequency light absorb this body, that is indicate what, black body radiation. Just see here, just I am going to consider this is what, sun, okay. You know very well about that, sun emit the all kind of radiations, the UV light come from sun, next IR is also come from sun only. That is why in this case what, sun is also act as a what, black body, sun is also act as a what, black body. Sun can emit all kind of radiations, means all kind of radiation means indirectly what, all kind of frequencies are emitted, okay. That is the sun is also act as a what, black body, okay. I think it is a very simple, means black body means what, all kind of frequencies absorb, and next one is what, emit, that is indicate what, black body or a ideal body. Next one is what I explained, everything is here only. Just see here, when solids, means in this case these bodies are solids only, there is no liquid, means so the solids are heated, they emit radiations over a wide range of wavelength. If you are going to take one solid body, start heating it, in this case what happen, when you are going to start heating it, it start what, emission of radiations, obviously this is what, a very simple point. In this case what, start again, if you are going to increase the temperature, automatically this red color is converted into what, blue color. Here is there, when an iron rod is heated in a furnace, it first turn red, after it turn red and emit red radiation, okay. When it is converted into red, it start emitting what, red radiations. On heating further, again if you are going to continue heating, it emits what, white radiations, and then blue as the temperature becomes a very high. When you are going to get a blue, when temperature is a very high, that time you are going to get a blue light. Means what, a simple body, it can produces all kind of radiation, all kind of radiation means what? All kind of color. It can emission red radiations, it can emit the white radiations, it can emit the what? Blue radiations. Such kind of body are called what? Black body radiation. This is important point, bear in mind. Okay, this is explanation. Next, after that, in this case, important point is what? Just I am going to draw the graph. The graph is the most important. I am going to consider what? One is y axis, another one is what? X axis. I am going to consider this is x axis, this is called what? Y axis. In this case, this is x axis is act as a what? Intensity. Next, after that, this is act as a what? Wavelength. The wavelength is measured in what? Nanometer. The x axis is act as a what? Wavelength. Okay. Just here in this case important, when the intensity increases, automatically the wavelength is going to increases. This is a basic. Okay. That is why in this case what actually when intensity is going to increases, the wavelength is also going to increases. You are going to get a graph like this. But the important point is in this case you are not going to get a graph like this, you are going to get a graph like this. Okay, is there in NCERT. But in this case you are not going to get a like this, because the important point is here. In this case what happen, when this black body absorb radiations start emission. Start emission means if the continuous emission are there, if the continuous emission of radiation, then only you are going to get this graph. Continuous emission, but in this case not like that. Continuous emission is not possible. Means continuous emission means what? In this case when emit the radiation, these radiations is as like a wave, then only you are going to get this one. The wave is what? Continue. But after some time the scientists come to conclusion, when there is a what? Emission of radiation is not a continuous. The emission of radiation is what? Discontinuous. That time they are going to get this graph. This graph is a what? Wrong. This graph is a what? Right. When we are going to increase the intensity, automatically the wavelength is going to increases. Final conclusion means in this case the light is act as a particle nature. Where there is a particle nature is there, 100% there is a what? Discontinuity of emission takes place. That is most important point. Okay, that is why bear in mind this graph is wrong actually. If wave is there, you are going to get like this, but according to I told you very simple concept, when photoelectric effect, black body radiations, line spectrum, in these three cases the light is act as a what? Particle nature. Okay. Next, after that, interference, diffraction, polarization is there. In that case the light is act as a wave. Most important. If you want, you can take a screenshot. After that I am going to solve the what? Examples. Okay, examples on what? Photoelectric effect, and the next one is what? A Planck constant. Means very simple is there. Again if you are going to connect means what? In this case this is the what? The light is act as a energy. Very simple. In this case what happen? This E is directly proportional to what? Nu. Means what? Energy is directly proportional to what? Frequency. Means in this case what? Just I am going to remove the proportionality constant, I am going to add a H. The H is act as a what? Planck constant. Okay. With the help of this formula we are going to derive the what? Examples. Okay. You have to take screenshot. I will write the problem and solve. Okay. Okay friends, the next one is what? Problems. Okay, these problems are related to what? Photoelectric effect, and next one is what? Planck quantum theory. Okay, just see here, this is the first problem, this one is second, next one is second. Calculate the energy. What they are asking? They are asking what? Energy. Energy means what? That is E. Calculate the energy of the photon having wavelength. They are given a wavelength 489 nanometer in joules. Okay, they are given what? Planck constant, the value is 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules second. In this case what? We know very well about that formula, E equal to what? H into nu. E is indicate what? Energy, H is what? That is Planck constant, nu is what? Frequency. In this case what they are asking? They are asking what? Calculate the energy they are asking. Calculate the energy of the photon they are asking. What they are given? They are given what? Wavelength. Okay, just see here in this case what is the value of nu. Nu is equal to what? C by lambda. That is most important. In this case what is the nu? Nu equal to what? C by lambda. You have to fill this nu value in this formula, H into C by lambda. This is indicate what? E. Okay, in this case you know very well about that value of H. C is what? That is a constant. C means what? That is very simple, 3 into 10 to the 4 of 8 meter per second. This is a fixed, this is a what fixed speed of light every electromagnetic radiation. If you are going to take a visible, if you are going to take a IR, if you are going to gamma, X-ray, all are having what same speed of light. Okay, that is important. Next, after that, in this case you have to fill all the value. What is the Planck constant? 6.626 into 10 to the 4 of minus 34 joule second into what 3 into 10 to the 4 of 8 meter per second divided by what is the wavelength? 489 nano is there. No, convert into what meter? Into 10 to the 4 of minus 9 meter, because compulsory how to maintain SI unit. Okay, don't mix up with the SI and CGS system. I think what is SI or CGS system you have studied in first topic, some basic chemistry. Okay, that is important. Don't mix up with the SI with the CGS system. Don't mix up with the CGS with what? SI. In this case, compulsory nanometer is not a SI, meter is what? SI. That's why just here in this case what happened? This meter get cancelled. This second, this per second get cancelled. The energy is measured in what? Joules only. Okay, means in this case what? Calculate the energy in the form of photon in what? Joules. We have to find out what? Joules. That is most important point. Okay. Next here, with the help of the calculator you have to do. In this case what? 10 to the 4 of minus 34 is there, 10 to the 4 of 8 is there. If 10 to the 4 of minus 9 will go above, it is converted into plus. Means what? In this case what happened? 10 to the 4 of plus 7 you are going to get in this case. Okay, just roughly I will do. In this case what happened? 10 to the 4 of minus 34 is there, 10 to the 4 of minus 9 it will go about, act as a positive. Okay, in this case what? 10 to the 4 of 17 is there. In this case what? 34 minus 17, in this case what? 3, that is what? 20, after that 34. In this case what? Finally we are going to get a what? 10 to the 4 of 17. Okay, that is what left, 10 to the 4 of 17 is left, minus 17. But in this case when you are going to make a calculation, finally you are going to get an answer is what? That is 3.33 will come. With the help of the calculator you have to find out. Okay, 3.374 into 10 to the 4 of minus 19 joules. This is the value of what? E. This is the value of what? E. With the help of the calculator you have to do. Okay, in this case you are going to get a 17, but in this case you are going to get a 0 point something. In that case what? The digit is going to shift. Okay, otherwise do one thing, make it multiply, after that divided by, you are going to get a what? Something value, in that put a what? Digit. Okay, this is what one formula. The next second one is there. The second one is what? Calculate the wave number. In this case what they are asking? Wave number. The wave number is represented by what? Nu bar. The wave number is represented by what? Nu bar. Important point. Okay. Calculate the wave number of the photon whose energy, what they are given? They are given energy, but in this case we have to calculate what? Wave number. Just here with the help of this formula only I am going to continue. This E equal to what? H into nu. E equal to what? H into nu. In this case what? Nu equal to C by lambda. Okay, you have to fill that value. In this case what? H into C by lambda. What you are going to get in this case? Okay. Are you understanding, or shall I write? Here is here is what? Right, no problem. H into C, but in this case I am going to write here only. Okay, H into what? C by lambda. E as it is. They are given a E, but what they are asking? They are asking what? Nu bar. Nu bar means what? That is most important. Reciprocal of wavelength is what? Nu bar. That is important. Okay, just I am going to write this is the nu bar equal to what? 1 by lambda. In this case I will make a 1 by lambda. Okay, that's why I am going to make here this E is there, E as it is, H and C will come in this side, I am going to get a 1 by lambda. Okay, what is the value of 1 by lambda? 1 by lambda is what? Nu bar. E is there, E divided by Hc equal to nu bar. Okay, E we know very well, H we know, C we know, automatically we are going to get a what? Nu bar. That is what? Very simple. Here I am going to write this one, therefore here nu bar equal to, what is the value of E? E they are given in a joule, 6.626 into 10 to the 4 of what? Minus 20 joules divided by, what is the value of H? That is Planck constant. Definitely they will provide in examination. If they not, you have to write. Okay, minus 34 joule second into velocity of light is what? 3 into 10 to the 4 of 8 meter per second. Okay. Next in this case with with help of the calculator you have to find out. Finally, we are going to get a very simple, that is what 3.33 into 10 to the power of what 5 is there. Okay. In this case, what is the what is that wave number? Wave number is indicate what? Per meter. Here is there, no, this second get cancelled, this joules get cancelled, because joules will go upper side, per joules. In this case, meter is there, it will go upper side, means act as a what? Per meter. Per meter. Okay, this is important. Okay, we are going to get this one. Okay, this is what your second problem. Okay, if you want you can take a screenshot, no problem. In this case, important is what is that 1 electron volt formula, 1 electron volt value is there, that is 1.602 into 10 to the power of 1 electron volt, 1.609 is there into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. Okay, this is 1 electron volt value. It is there in NCERT, that is I am seeing here. Okay, 602, make it, this is what 2. Okay. Okay, friends, this is what 1 electron volt. You have to take a screenshot. Okay, you have to solve the next problems are there. Okay, so many problems are there in what NCERT you have to solve. Is there any doubt? Comment on the comment section. Okay, I will solve. Okay, if there any doubt. Okay, friends, up to this what this blackboard radiations and some problems completed. The next one is important, what, that is the spectrum we are going to study. What is the spectrum and types of spectrum is there, line spectrum, absorption spectrum. Next one is what, emission spectrum. Last one is the important point is what, hydrogen spectrum. That point we will study next video. Thank you.